I've been sent these Galaxy Samsung Earbud type things. These were sent over by a viewer, and he says, "Hey Steve, not sure if you can fix these. I can't remember which side wasn't working, but I think I got some liquid in them and one no longer works. I've cleaned them as best I can. Maybe it could make a fix video. Keep up the great work and congrats on 100k subs." Now I don't know if it's Thai or thank you. Either way, thank you. I must confess to not knowing anything about these. I've never owned a pair. I don't know how they work. Little knowledge that I have, I understand that this case charges them. Let's plug it in. And we get a red light. So hopefully the charging case is okay. And we also get a red light inside. So maybe the charging has gone green. Is that good? I don't know. But as you saw in the letter, apparently one side doesn't work, so I'm going to try and connect them up to my phone and then we'll find out. Right, well that was surprisingly easy. Let's try and play some music through them. I can hear music. That's the right one. So the right one works. Which means by a process of elimination, the left one doesn't. And no, it does not. I don't know why I'm holding up to the microphone, so you can hear nothing. Anyway, right, so it's the left one by the looks of it that doesn't work. Elevate your mind, free your soul. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's have a look at the left one. Now, how do you get into these things? This is going to be fun. Shall I look at a teardown video? No. Let's just give it a go. Probably foolish. Right. There you go, Dave. You look after that. Hey bud, here's some words for your earbuds. They came from Thai, thank you Thai for the goods. The lefty don't work, can you hear the silence? Let's pop it open in the name of science. First we gotta thank all those lovely people. By the way, you hear brainstorm or? I digress, I confess, let's start with the flux. Ben Rush in Flip, don't think the SSF sucks. Matt W, Kit Pace, Lodger, Infinity, SJ Wood, Walker, Mick, Adams, Kenneth Zeri, Dr. Princess Wizard, Kango Bird, Daft Willie, Dr. Funkenstein, Jonathan Harden, Avi. Hope y'all remember to give Keisha a chance. Arnold Judas Rimmer takes a very firm stance. Titter Jam Rag, Sons of the West, are some of the OGs, man I'm feeling blessed. Avon Bass, Markovitz 19, Adam Taylor, I eats me spinach just like Popeye the Sailor. Man, that's lame, can't you rhyme any better? No, I can't, I don't wanna upset you. Jonathan Wicks, Oz Newton, Paul Bailey, Varoki, John Pruchet, Skyver 22, Diamond Sloan is T. Get the money, 7792 be money. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I think I shrunk the kids, honey. Sarah Cat, Lee, Grieve, Shaking Twitch, OBM Studios, and Kill Switch. Just watch Badger Squatch killing it, yo. What better way to end than the Monkey Joe Tokyo? Right, well that actually wasn't as difficult as I thought. They are just clipped together. It's refreshing not to see any glue or anything in there. Now I'm guessing, yeah, that wasn't attached to there, but I presume that pulled out when I've just opened it up. It's got a water damage indicator there, and I mean it's got red crosses on. I don't know if that means that it's been activated or whether that's normal. That doesn't look quite right. I think we need to get these under the microscope because they are ridiculously tiny. I think it's got a coating on it. Everything looks normal there. Maybe a bit of sign of corrosion there. Yeah, possibly. Yeah, that looks a bit discoloured there, doesn't it? Oh, it's flashing. Oh, does that mean it's still on? Oh. Can you see that? Ah. Right, well, how do you turn them off? And that, oh. That is wonky. Did I do that when I was taking it off? Oh, no. No. Right, well, it looks like we've got... I mean, they're all connected, I think, apart from this one down here. And obviously that's broken. I wonder if I did that. More than likely. Oh, am I going to be able to do anything with that? I mean, I can probably resolder that leg. And as long as they're all connected, I don't suppose it really matters if it's a bit wonky. Anyway, I'm guessing that's not why they're not working, because I think I did that. I think it's got something to do with this corrosion here. Yeah, just everything just looks a bit discoloured, doesn't it? This capacitor doesn't look great. That one looks terrible. I could do with taking the battery out. Nice. What's that there? There's a capacitor just underneath there, like that. How? What? I need to put that somewhere safe. I'm going to give it to you, Dave. It's from there, isn't it? Did I just do that again? Well, it's possible that corrosion has got under there. Well, I'm not doing very well so far. I think I'm making these worse. Doesn't look too bad under there, does it? I think that's the battery disconnected, because I'm guessing that's what connects the positive side of the battery. So I think we're good to work on this now. Alright, well I need to put that capacitor back on. Straighten that one up. This is not going to be easy. Does that come out of there? Right. So battery's completely away. We'll give that to Dave for safekeeping. Dave's coming in very handy today. Right, let's start by cleaning this up. And we'll test some of these components to see if they're working or not. Right, let's put the multimeter on ohms. Well, let's check these resistors. Yeah, 2K. So that one looks like it might be okay. And 2.2K. 14K. 0. Maybe it is a 0 resistor. There's no markings on it, but it's coming up as 0. Right. Is this an inductor or is it a capacitor? Because I'm getting continuity through it. It's hard to tell because it is a bit discoloured. If it's an inductor, that's what it's supposed to do. If it's a capacitor, it's not. I'm going to assume that that is an inductor. Or is it a shorted capacitor? I'm going to have to open the other one, aren't I? Because I don't know. Unless there's a schematic for this. Let's have a look. Right, I can't find one. I can see lots of people asking for them, but nobody appears to have them. I think for now I'm just going to assume that that is an inductor, and I'm going to concentrate now on this connector. Where did that capacitor come from? Was it the other side? Yeah, the capacitor that should be there. And let's give that a clean. Let's start with this Lego connectory type thing. Yep.
Yep.
Yep. Yep.
Yep. Yep.
Yep.
Yep.
Yep.
And I think I know the answer to this one. The answer is nope. Oh, it's totally wonky, isn't it? Oh. I mean, if I put hot air on this, it's just going... Oh dear. It's just going to melt, isn't it? So I think my best option is to try and get this back in, solder that leg back down, and hopefully it will stay there. Easier said than done. Where's it gone? No, really, where's it gone? Oh, it's there. Phew. Ah. Right, let's try and solder that leg on, and hopefully that will keep that piece in place. Probably won't. It's the problem I've got is it's so tiny. I think I'm going to need my micro-soldering pencil for this. Where are you? I mean, even that looks massive under there, but it's not. It's absolutely tiny. Let's give it a go. Come on, Steve. Go on. Have a look at the earbuds, Steve. They'll be nice and easy. Yeah, okay. I can only try it. I can only try it. It's definitely soldered on now, so let's try and pop that capacitor back on. Where should that be? There. Straighten this other one up first. Whew. I think we're on. Right, was there anything else that I needed to do? I don't think so. I think I've done enough damage for one day. Let's try and put it back together. That's going to be fun. Oh. I think we're on. Wow. Okay. Let's see if they work. First and foremost, let's see if it charges. I mean, how do you know? Take that one out. Yeah, red light stays on. Does that mean it's charging? Let's just assume that it does. Right, let's try and connect up to them now. I can hear sound. Yeah, the right one still works. Let me choose a different song. That's the right one. There's the left one. Nice. Right, well, I mean, I don't know what to do with them now. But they work. Stupid earbuds.
Back to life.
the here and now, yeah. Show me how you decide what you want from me. Tell me, baby, I could be there for you.